Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the slide size in Google Slides for the full 2026 update. It's a simple tweak, but yeah, it makes a huge difference when you're prepping presentations or exporting for videos and social media. All right, let's jump right in. So first, go ahead and open the presentation you want to adjust. You can pick a recent file or just start a new one if you're testing things out. Once your slides are open, head over to the top left corner and click on the File menu. This is where all the document level settings live, including slide dimensions. In the File menu, scroll down a bit and click Page Setup. This is the section that controls your slide size. Kind of easy to miss if you've never looked for it. Now, in the Page Setup box, you'll see a drop-down with preset sizes like widescreen, standard, and custom. If you're making a YouTube slide deck, widescreen usually works great, but yeah, you can pick whatever you need. All right, if you want to enter your own slide dimensions, choose the custom option. Then type in the height and width you want. Maybe something square for social posts or a tall format for mobile videos. Just type it in and hit apply. And once you hit apply, your entire slide deck adjusts instantly. If anything looks stretched or cropped, you can just reposition your elements manually. Google Slides doesn't auto-fit everything perfectly, so yeah, take a quick moment to review. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully changed the slide size in Google Slides using the latest 2026 interface. Super quick, super clean, perfect for presentations, printing, or exporting to video editors. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching.